The Arabian tahr is a species of tahr native to Arabia. Until recently, it was placed in the genus Hemitragus, but genetic evidence supports its removal to separate monotypic genus. The Arabian tahr is the smallest species of tahr. The animal is of stocky build with backward-arching horns in both sexes. Males are much more robust than females. Its coat consists of a long, reddish-brown hair, with a dark stripe running down the back. Males possess the most impressive manes which extend right down the back and grow longer based on the age. In the oldest males the muzzle darkens to black and the eye stripes also darken. As with most mountain goats and sheep, it has rubbery hooves to provide balance and traction on the steep, rocky slopes. Habitat and range. The Arabian tahr lives on steep rocky slopes of Hajj mountains in the Sultanate of Oman, and the United Arab Emirates at altitudes of up to 1,800 meters above sea level. Taxonomy. The species was first described from specimens obtained by Dr. A.S.G. Jerka from Jebel Tor and originally given the name of Hemitragus jerkari. It was separated into the newly created genus Arabia.Tragus on the basis of a study on the molecular phylogeny of the group in 2005. Biology. Unlike other species of tahr, the Arabian tahr is solitary. It lives in small groups consisting of a female and a kid, or a male, and instead of forming herds during seasonal ruts, reproduction occurs in small, dispersed family units. There are reports of births occurring throughout the year, and gestation lasts from 140 to 145 days. Diet. These animals are usually browsers, feeding on grass, shrubs, leaves, and fruits of most trees. They are highly dependent on water and need to drink every 2 or 3 days during summer. They would descend from the point of elevation to drink from river courses known as wadis, and would travel to new areas when water dries up. Threats. The Arabian tahr is endangered due to intense overgrazing, poaching, and habitat destruction. In Oman, a recent increase of human migration to urban areas has resulted in domestic goats becoming feral and foraging in places which were once strictly the tahr's home. Habitat degradation is also another major threat due to construction of roads, buildings, and mineral extraction. Also, poaching often occurs when the animals descend down from the mountains for a fresh drink. Conservation. In 1973, efforts were planned to protect the Arabian tahr, and in 1975, it was granted in the Hajj Mountains. In 1980, a captive breeding program was set up at the Omani Mammal Breeding Center in order to reintroduce captive-bred individuals back into the wild. There are now 3 institutions involved, 1 in Oman and 2 in UAE. Sadly, many people seem to be unaware about the tahr's grave situations, leading to other conservation initiatives to focus on the publicity and educational campaigns to raise the animal's profile. In April 2009, the Wadi Wuraya Fujairah Preserve was set aside by royal decree in the United Arab Emirates for the protection of the Arabian tahr.